Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by treating the milk. Heat 1L to 82 degrees C to denature proteins so the final texture sets better. Once the milk cools to about 43 degrees C, activate 1/4 teaspoon active dry yeast in 2 tablespoons warm milk. This wakes the yeast so it mixes evenly. Pour the activated yeast into the cooled milk and whisk gently to distribute. Make sure to avoid temperatures above 50 degrees C when adding yeast. Higher heat will kill it and stop fermentation. Once mixed, transfer the milk to an insulated vessel and keep it at a steady 40–45 degrees C. This temperature range encourages gradual acid production without shocking the culture. Incubate for 6 to 8 hours. Start checking at 4 hours for thickening and a mild tang. If you see gentle separation, a brief swirl is fine. Avoid aggressive stirring or you'll break the forming curd. The yeast contributes flavor and some gas, so expect slight froth. Patience yields a smoother set. After incubation, cool the yogurt to under 20 degrees C, then refrigerate at least 4 hours so it firms and flavors mellow. For thicker or Greek-style yogurt, line a strainer with cheesecloth and drain whey until desired consistency is reached. Reserve whey for smoothies or baking. If the yogurt is too runny, you can re-incubate at 40 degrees C for a couple more hours, or rescue it by stirring in 1 tablespoon of plain commercial yogurt as a bacteria.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.